Good morning students. In last class we learned OOPS concept. Today we learn how we can create class in Python. So to create a class in Python we use following syntax. As we know, class is a collection of member variable and member function. So we will use this syntax in a given example. So we will create class in Python Ideal. So first of all I write class keyword and whatever class you want to give. In particular example, if I give class maths colon sign, whatever variable we want to declare in a class we will declare here a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. So these member variable is known as member variable because they are declared in a class. So now we create a function def add. We create def input and every class function contain an argument self. So here I write self dot a equal to int input enter a, and I write here self dot b equal to int input enter b. So another function I will create def output self. I write here print sum is self dot a plus self dot b. All class member can be accessed or input by self dot and variable name. So our class is created. So class contain two things, member variable and member function. In particular class we use two member variables and two member functions. First function is input function which is used to input all class variable, and second function is output function which is used to print class data. So to call all class member we use object. So object is declared by m, whatever object name is m equal to class name and curly bracket. So object name equal to class name, whatever class name we are using here we will use here. So object name of maths class is known as m. So now by the help of m we can access all class member like m dot input, m dot output. So first I call m dot input. So input function will be called first, then I call output function, then output function will be called. So I save the program and run the program. Class1.py. So I run the program. So first is input function is called. So enter a, enter b. Now after input function, output function will be called, which has self dot a plus self dot b. So sum is 8. So it is very easy to create a class. Once class is created, we can use many times. Like we want to use another, then we will create another object n equal to maths, and again we can call n dot input and n dot output. So this program will first m object will be called m dot input, first time m dot output is called. Second object is n, so we create n another second object which called n dot input, n dot output. So we run the program. First time I write enter A, enter B. The second time n object is called, so 3, 2, so sum is 5. So once the class is created, we can call these member function many times. So here we do another second example of class, which is equals to, here we will create class rectangle, which is used to find area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. So let's we create the class. So here I write class rectangle. So here I use variable a equal to 0 and p e r I equal to 0. A is used for find area and perimeter. So first I create def area self comma L comma W. So here A equal to area of rectangle is L into W. So here I write self dot A equal to L into W. So I write print area is self dot A. Again I write another method def perimeter self comma L comma W. So I write here self dot peri equal to 2 into L plus W, which is a formula of parameter of rectangle. So I write here print perimeter is so here if you want to access all these members, I will create a object of rectangle class. So I will create R equal to rectangle R dot area and second method is R dot perimeter. So now I save the program. X equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So here I write x equal to int input enter length of rectangle and y equal to int input enter width of rectangle. So this function will call area x comma y and perimeter x comma y. So now we save the program and run the program. So first it will ask enter length, I write 5, enter width 3. So after this R dot area r dot area method will be called. So L into W, which is equals to, so area is 15 and perimeter is 16. So both function will be called of rectangle class, area and perimeter, which passes value of x and y. At the time of calling, value x will be equal to L and value y will be equal to W. So formula will be calculated and output will be displayed. I hope now you can create the class and member variable and member function, and we can create object and can call members of class by the help of object. Thank you for watching.